I was doing an oil change on this truck that I just picked up yesterday, and I found metal in the oil. Now, my first instinct was to absolutely freak out, but then I remembered the drain plug had been replaced with a bolt. So I come back with a magnet, and just to test, I get near all this metal. It's not attracted. I go underneath. It doesn't do anything to it. So it is aluminum. So I'm fine. What really happened was they drilled and tapped the bolt to be a replacement drain plug. So we're good to go.